let's talk about our lesson 18, which is we're going to discuss outlook of character sketches of Perseus and the Gorgon. We have just talked about it. Second, about the traits of a Perseus, how he actually appears, uski appearance kya thi. And third, we're going to do bookwork. Some question answers are going to arise. I have something surprising for you in the end of the lecture. So let's talk about character sketch of Perseus. So what is Perseus? Like how he was actually in physical, his appearance. Perseus is a young and strong hero. We talk about that, right? When we're reading the story, you literally find out how strong he was when he was about to save his mother, how protective he was about his mother. So he was a strong and a great hero. Second, he wears shining armor and carries a sharp sword and a bright shield. So उसके पास shining armor होता है, sharp sword होती है, and bright shield होती है. The pictures that I've figured it out, I pointed you out those pictures. So those were the images that Perseus have on himself, because to save him on that mission which he is carrying along with his journey. That's when. Third is he has winged sandals and help him fly through the air. Remember the winged sandals? जब dragon serpent आए थे उसके पास, what happened? The sandals flew him away from the sisters and from a serpent, जिससे उसने अपनी क्या नाम है Armadius को defeat Armadius को बचाया था, जिस monster system बचाया था. So these were the equipments that Perseus has to wear. Now the question for you guys, once we look over to those questions, go back home. These are the questions that I've figured it out for you people. What does the word petrified means in the story? We have talked about it. I have described you what the meaning of that. Second question for you people is that why were the witches called the grey witches? जो witches थी उनको grey witches क्यों कहा जाता है? Thirdly is that what is a knapsack and how did it help Perseus? Knapsack क्या है और उसने Perseus की किस तरह से help की थी to capture the Gorgon? Okay, these are the questions that is for you, and you can say it's your short adventurous thing that you have to do back at your place. Okay, so let's talk about some bookwork. So here is the word meaning. These are the similar words that we had just talked about early when we are begun to our lecture. Okay, banquet, especially for many people, we have talked about that. Disgrace, loss of respect, shame in short. Okay, constellation, a group of stars. Ferocious, violent, गुस्सा होना, एकदम violent हो गया, attack करना. So this is the word. Cunning, which the meaning of the cunning I told you, it's tricky. ठीक है? And the sentences. These are the creative one that you can make your own one. It's not that you have to make it precise on that. It's your free will, it's your free choice. Whatever makes you feel that you're going to make a sentence, a specific word, just go for it. It's easy to do the job. So angry ka, everybody knows what is angry is गुस्से होना. You can make any kind of a sentence with angry. Laughed, हंसना, इस पे भी आप कुछ भी बना सकते हो. Refuse, मना कर देना किसी चीज़ को, ठीक है? Invitation, किसी चीज़ के लिए invitation देना, जैसे Perseus को invitation मिला था by Polydectes. Okay? Irritation, किसी चीज़ से आप अजीब से फील करना, अजीब सा फील करना, इरिटेट फील करना कि कोई चीज़ पसंद नहीं आ रही है, आपको दिल को सूट नहीं कर रही है. So irritation is something goes to understand. Following with the question answers, which is first question, as you can see on the page, what can we see in the night sky today that has the same name as the hero in the Greek myth? We have talked about that. मैंने explain किया था ना. तो आंसर में क्या लिखा हुआ है? Northern skies, if you look up on a clear sky, you can see a constellation of stars called Perseus. अगर हम बात करते हैं एक आसमान पे stars की तरफ देखें ना, तो कुछ shapes, मैंने एक shapes ऐसी है, एक specific shape है, you will find it out. Find this word, the constellation of Perseus in the night, in the sky. You will find it. Google में आपको बहुत सारी descriptions मिलेगी, and this will be the task of yours. Activity, fun activity करने को होगी. Go at night, roof पे जाओ and look over the stars. You will find a Perseus if you can find it up. Okay. Second question is that how is Dictys described and what did he do that demonstrate his personality? जो Dictys था वो किस तरह से describe किया गया था and what did he do, उसने क्या किया था कि demonstrate कर सके, अपनी personality को बता सके. Dictys ने क्या किया? Is a described man, ये बताया गया कि वो एक अच्छा आदमी, रहमदिल आदमी था. He allows Perseus, उसने allow किया Perseus and Danae को to live on his land, कि वो Danae को अपनी और अपनी जगह पे रहने की इजाज़त दे सके land पे. Okay, let's talk about a character sketch. अभी हमने Perseus के बारे में early discuss किया था. We're going to talk about Polydectes now. What is Polydectes? Polydectes was a kind of a king of island. Polydectes was a king of island. जो Polydectes है वो island of the king है. He was cruel, very cunning, बहुत जालिम था, ठीक है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा tricky man था, clever था and greedy था. He wanted to marry Danae. वो Danae से शादी करना चाहता था, just like I told you about the story, mother of Perseus. For that he wanted to kill him. उसके लिए उसको Perseus को मारना था, because Perseus was not in agree mood कि वो अपनी मामा को अलाउड करे कि इस क्रूल बादशाह से शादी करे, इतने जालिम आदमी से, which was not a good man. He was actually not a good man. He was being unfair. वो unfair रहता था to Perseus से and asked him to bring Medusa's head. और क्या करता था, उसने इतना क्रूल डिसीजन लेके Perseus को भगाने के लिए कि वो मेडूसा का हेड ला कर दे. क्या चलाकी थी, क्लेवरनेस क्या शो करवाई थी कि इफ़ Perseus is not gonna achieve that, जो उसको टास्क दिया था, उसको एक मिशन दिया था टू गेट अ हेड ऑफ मेडूसा, तो वहाँ पे वो स्टोन हो जाएगा, वो भी डेथ हो जाएगी. बट ऐसे हुआ नहीं है. Perseus was a sharp and kind man, ठीक है ना, शार्प था, क्लेवर था, एंड ही बेसिकली वाज द सन ऑफ गॉड. जो गॉड के सन्स होते हैं उनके पास एक्स्ट्रा पावर होती है, एक्स्ट्रा गिक होती है कि वो हर चीज़ को ना शार्प लेना है अपने हाथों में ग्रैप्स कर लेते हैं. सो ही कैन अचीव व्हाटएवर ही वांट बिकॉज ही हैज़ अ हैंड ऑफ हिज फादर विच इज़ Zeus. Okay, so Perseus had this kind of a power. So let's talk about bookwork. Let's talk about some bookwork. Okay, just talk about it here. So on page number 61, if you open the page number 61, which is the question is, put the following in their correct orders and put said or asked at the correct name each after. I'm going to say a sentence, the answer is right on the board. So आप लोगों ने इस तरह से आंसर्स लिखने हैं उसके आगे, ठीक हो गया. हाउ कैन आई गेट rid ऑफ दिस इरिटेटिंग मैन. सो इसका आंसर आएगा सेट पोलीडेक्टिस. पोलीडेक्टिस ने ये बात की थी, इस आदमी से मैं किस तरह से जान छुड़ाऊँ. सेकेंड आपका है ओ Perseus, डोंट यू नो आवर कस्टम्स. किसने ये बात की थी, वन सेट, एक ने बात की थी. जब उसके पास गिफ्ट्स नहीं थे तो उसको प्रेजेंट तो कुछ करना था ना, तो उसमें से एक ने बोला था कि तुम्हें नहीं पता हमारे यहाँ के कस्टम्स क्या पे है. थर्ड है यू हैव इट यू फूल. किसने बोला था ये, सेट द सेकेंड विच, कि तुम्हारे पास है, तुम पागल हो, बेवकूफ़. So this is what the fool that she was talking about. Okay. The fourth one is bring me the head of Medusa. Who said this one? This was the exercise, and move on to next page number 62. 62 where if we have look over the first exercise, which is make questions to get the following answers, use the words in bracket. Okay. Same is the same case. I'm going to say the statement and the answer is right on the board in front of you. Okay. So there are 3 people who help Perseus. How many people? There are 3 people who help Perseus. How many people Perseus help? You need to make it correct orders. Okay. इनको questions में आपने change करना है और questions को answers में change करना है. Don't forget that. Okay. So second is they know where to find the names. Why are the people helpful? People क्यों helpful थे उनको लेकर. A question stated out from the story that they know where to find the names. किसको पता था, लोगों को पता था ना, और लोगों ने उसको रास्ता भी दिखाया by giving him some equipments, shields दी, sword दी, helmet दी and the flying sandal. So that statement goes to the question. Second में देखते हैं, they know where to find the names. किसको पता था names कहाँ पे हैं. Why are the people helpful? People क्यों helpful थे उसको लेकर, ठीक हो गया. So he uses the shield as a mirror. उसने shield किस तरह से use की कि how does the Perseus use the shield battles. तो शील्ड थी, बैटल में से किस तरह से इस्तेमाल की थी, ठीक हो गया. नाउ द फोर्थ है द सी वॉज रेड विद द ब्लड ऑफ द सर्पेंट. व्हाट वाज द वाटर लाइक आफ्टर Perseus killed the serpent. दैट हैज़ टू बी द क्वेश्चन यू नीड टू मेक, बिकॉज जब उसने सर्पेंट को किल किया था द वाटर वॉज ऑलमोस्ट विद द रेड ब्लड. ऐसे ही था ना, दैट वेव्स लिटरली टुक द सर्पेंट अवे. यही बात हुई थी ना. सो वी हैव टू make that statement into the question, which goes like, what was the water like after Perseus killed the serpent? This was it. Okay. Thank you all for your understanding and take your time to watch this video. So we'll meet very soon. Okay. Take care. Allah Hafiz.